So we can represent this vector f whose length is given. Let's say the length is 5 and whose theta is given in a particular way, which is called the resolution of the vector f. So just like a simple example A, which was represented as 2i, and another example B, which was represented as a vector B, which is represented 3 times j. Remember the examples from the last time where we had a vector B of length 3 in the y direction, and we had a vector A of length 2 in the x direction. So A was represented as 2 times I, B was represented as 3 times j. Now the vector f, which is an arbitrary vector whose length is given and whose direction is given, so length of f is given and theta is known, can be represented in a particular way, and we call it the resolution of f along the chosen axis, the axis x and y has been shown in the diagram. So before that you need to do this. I will not be able to give you a very detailed lecture on every topic. Do read up on how do you add two vectors, and in the same way actually how do you subtract two vectors can be read up by you, and if you read this up you will readily agree to the result, a very important result that I'm writing down here. A can be written as 5 cos 30 times I plus 5 sin 30 times j. So in other words, if you understand what is the addition of vectors, you will readily agree with me that f, which is an arbitrary two-dimensional vector, can be written in terms of something times I plus something times j, and this is called the resolution along x and y axis. Now why is this true? So let's say this blue line here that I have drawn from here to here, the length is 5 cos theta. You will readily agree with this. It's a simple trigonometry.